Something strange is going on. People keep paying for Seedance 2.0, while a small group is quietly using it for free. No hacks, no cracked versions, just a method that's hiding where no one thinks to look. And the weird part? Once you see it, it feels way too easy. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret website that lets you access Seedance 2.0 completely for free. I almost didn't want to share this, but here's exactly how to access Seedance 2.0 without paying. Watch closely. But before we begin, if this is your first time seeing my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on videos like this. So guys, this is the website, but don't worry about the name because I'm going to leave the link in the description. Now, unlike a lot of those other Chinese websites that require a VPN or some complicated login process, this platform gives you free access to the Seedance 2.0 model. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. First, go ahead and click on Generate Videos Free. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a completely new platform. And this is where all the magic happens. This platform allows you to generate text to video, image to video, and also first and last frame videos. But for this video, we'll be starting with text to video. Over here, you can select your aspect ratio. I'll be using 16:9. Then you can choose the duration. By default, it's set to 5 seconds, but you can generate videos up to 15 seconds. Next is the resolution. It's set to default, which is 720p, and that's more than enough for free use. If you upgrade to the Pro version, that's when you can unlock 2K and 4K. Now let's talk about the model. As you can see, they have Seedance 2.0 Pro and Seedance 2.0 Fast. For this video, I'll be using Seedance 2.0 Fast. You can also choose how many videos you want to generate. This platform allows up to 4 videos at once, but we'll just go with 1. Once you're done with all the settings, go ahead and input your prompt. After that, just click Generate. As you can see right here, the platform is generating our video. The process is actually pretty fast, so just give it a moment. And now, our video is ready. Let's go ahead and check out the result. A van transforming into a robot. Isn't that amazing? Just look at the details. The motion is smooth and the transformation feels very realistic. This is exactly the kind of quality people are using for viral content right now. You can click here if you want to redo or remake the video, or click here to download it. Now, let's generate a video using image to video. First, I'll go ahead and paste in my prompt. Then, I'll upload a reference image from my device. After that, all the other settings can remain the same, unless you want to tweak them. If you look closely, you'll notice that this generation costs 192 credits. And over here, you can see I have a total of 200 credits. Just keep watching, because I'm going to show you how I was able to generate both the text to video and this one using only 200 credits. Once you're ready, click Generate. And now the video is ready. Let's take a look. As you can see, this result looks amazing as well. You can go ahead and download it from here. Now back to the home page. If you re-watch carefully, you'll notice that I didn't use the same email for the text to video generation. Yes, that's the trick. If you want to get free 200 credits to access Seedance 2.0 on this platform, you can simply use different email accounts to create new accounts. You can also join their Discord server to get another 200 free credits. At this point, you probably already know what to do. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.